My relationship to kimchi is like my relationship to my mother and my aunt and my grandma. Each jar of kimchi I make embodies the history of my culture. I'm Mina Kim. I'm from South Korea and I'm the founder of a House of Fermentation. And I want to share my culture with Amsterdam. I started this Kickstarter to create a space where everyone can enjoy and learn about traditional Korean fermentation. Kimchi Hotel is a place where you can start with your workshop and choose however long you would like your kimchi to be fermented in a natural environment in Amsterdam for 3 months, 6 months. You get to choose whenever you want to check out your kimchi and have a tasting as you like. Korean fermentation is really designed to continue, so it doesn't stop. It's just transforming and constantly turns into beautiful different flavors, and it only gets better over time. This is the corner of our garden where the Kimchi Hotel is going to be. So we're thinking about 10 to 20 human-sized kimchi pot that's going to be used for our own production, of course, and then there will be 50 other smaller size kimchi pots for everyone to check in their kimchi and check out their kimchi whenever they want. Our garden will always be transforming. With this Kickstarter, all proceeds will go to the completion of our garden renovations for future workshops as well as the production of all of our fermented products. And to establish Kimchi Hotel and bring the experience of traditional fermentation and my culture to Amsterdam. The House of Fermentation is a cultural hub to learn and experience Korean cuisine. Read, support, and follow us at houseoffermentation.com.